Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to see Netflix downloads. To access and see your Netflix download, you will need to go ahead and open the Netflix app on your mobile device. Go ahead and go to your App Store or your Play Store and type in Netflix in the search box. And once you do that, install the Netflix application on your mobile devices. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open, and after opening up the Netflix app, sign into your Netflix account. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner and then enter your email or your phone number followed by your account's password in the login page. Once you are signed into your account, go ahead and open up a profile and you will then be able to log into your Netflix homepage using the Netflix app. After logging into Netflix app, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the little download or the arrow button. Soon after you tap on it, you will be able to see your download history or see what you can download on Netflix. So that is the only way you will be able to access your downloads on Netflix. You will only be able to find the download list on your Netflix application, so make sure you have your application installed and sign into it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.